Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have another another shipment of planes from the airplane shop. So we're just gonna open this and see what we got this time. Alright, so we are back. I have opened the box, or at least cut the tape. So now it's time to actually open it and see what we get this time. Paper. So we have a Northwest Boeing 757-200 1/400 scale. That's coming out. Here it is as the back. We'll take a look inside after we finish this one. Let's set it down. And then we have more paper. And we have a U.S. Air Boeing 737-200 in 400 scale. Why are these boxes open? Alright. Okay. It's in the 400 scale. So this is our 737. Alright. Okay, the camera control. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. As for the 757, it's the flying pencil in the old Northwest library. Alright, got these guys. So now let's actually open them and see how it looks. Alright, so starting off with Northwest 757. Don't need that or this. So starting off with this guy. Hold on. We'll just gently move everything away. Alright, so here we have the wheels do actually roll. Got the nice old logo with old library. It's a nice plane, nice silver plane. It's also like metal, chrome, or it's like silver lined. You can see the shiny ness of the metal here. Alright, we got just the underside. Typical Northwest. No, I mean, it's just a red tail here. So we'll put that, and then we'll put that over here, and then open the U.S. Air. Alright, we got our U.S. Air 737-200 here. Looks like it's the same metal as the 757. These are old airlines. They don't fly anymore. Alright. Good old 757. Or 737, that's what I meant. Looks like the old plane, or like the actual aircraft, that's what I meant. The wheels, however, they do not roll. Nice silver lining, just like 757. It's a lot smaller compared to the actual aircraft, or to the actual planes. Got the nice US Air livery, old logo, the nice red silver lining. So yeah, they did a good job on making these two. So they kind of look the same. The like basics have the silver wings. They have the silver was it lining on here, the grayness on the wings. So yeah, that's basically it for the both of them. So I'm gonna keep these. I may add them in some airport updates. I am planning on making airport updates. I may add them sometime, but we'll see how that goes. Depends. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment if you guys do actually want airport updates. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.